welcome. I'm back here at Home Depot checking out the latest deals they have going on for this week, and they have indeed rolled out some new deals. So they got rid of the Ryobi days and even the Milwaukee deals they were doing. So I'll go over the latest deals they have going on now from Ryobi. They do have your choice, whether it's the dual platform charger, so you can charge both 40 volt and 18 volt battery, $99. So your choice is here, and also including a 4 amp hour high performance edge battery, $99, D-handle jigsaw, or the 4.5 inch angle grinder. So again, special buys there, $99 for those. $159 for the brushless 18 gauge brad nailer, and $169 your choice of either the 7.25 inch circular saw with a 4 amp hour battery, or the reciprocating saw also with the 4 amp hour battery charger. Your choice there, $169. And we'll get into also a lot of DeWALT deals they have going on as well. Some pretty good pricing on different items. So they do have the stick vac from Ryobi for $199, saving $50. It is the pet stick vacuum. It does include a 4 amp hour battery and charger for that price. So pretty decent deal, especially if you missed out on the Ryobi days where it was the 3 battery kit for the $199. You get the free stick vac. So I guess it's the next best option there. They do have some lower pricing on these Ryobi USB lithium tools. And the one is for $40 is the detail power scrubber with a 2 amp hour battery kit. Does come with different attachments as well to do different cleanings with them. The power scrubber with a 2 amp hour battery as well for $49.97. And then for $79, they have the power spray mop with a 2 amp hour battery. That's a new item I haven't seen before. $79 for that. A couple rigid options is a 1/2 inch drill driver kit with a 2 amp hour battery for $89. And they also have a 2-tool combo kit with a drill and impact driver, which is a better deal there, with two 2 amp hour batteries for $129. Excellent deal there. They do have some new deals they rolled out with the Diablo blades for $14.97. You can get the 7.25 inch 24 tooth saw blade with a demo demon, they call it. Also $14.97 is a 7.25 inch 40 tooth saw blade. And then for $25, they have the fine wood blade for a 7.25 inch 60 tooth one. It is a Home Depot exclusive blade for that price. And other Diablo options, they have a 2-pack 9-inch pruning and fast clean wood blade reciprocating saw blade set for $8.97. And they also have that's for the 9-inch one. And then for the 12-inch one, they have the 2-pack for $11.97. So good pricing there for 2 blades from Diablo. And then the other Diablo options they have a 10-inch 42 saw blade with the wood demon for $50. And then for $60, they have a 90-tooth one. That'd be great for fine finished carpentry work. And then for $75, they have even a better one, 100-tooth one. But it's pricey still, but still you're going to get really nice clean cuts with that. If you're enjoying this video so far, I would appreciate it you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos. All right, now getting into some new DeWALT deals they just recently released. So to give you an example here, they have the 6 amp hour and 4 amp hour battery kit here. That's $199. For $179, they have the 1/2 inch brushless drill kit. That was $219. And then for $149, they have the brushless oscillating multi-tool. It is tool only for that. $179 is the atomic 3/8 ratchet. For $179 is the brushless 1/4 inch impact driver kit. It does include a 5 amp hour battery and a charger with that price. Other options here, they have the atomic 20 volt brushless 4-tool kit for $399. That's saving $50. So those tools are a one-handed reciprocating saw, oscillating tool, the drill, and impact driver. For $99, they have the reciprocating saw, tool only, as well as a 6.5 inch circular saw for $99. Keep in mind, these are not brushless tools, they are brushed, as well as this 4.5 inch angle grinder for $129. And the D-handle jigsaw, $129. Again, these are all brushed tools except for the brushless atomic kit here. And then they have for 1997 is the right angle attachment. I believe everyone's tool bag or toolbox should have one of these. This has saved me more times than I can count as far as being able to get into tight spots with it. And at 69 bucks, they have the handheld work light. It's a 20 volt one for well, it was 89, but it's now 69. It is rated for up to 1,000 lumens, and it can pivot from 0 to 140 degrees. And more DeWALT deals they have. You get a free starter kit when you buy a select tool. So the options are the 4.5 to 6 inch small angle grinder with a kickback brake. That's $279. So the free starter kit that you get is a 6 amp hour flexible battery with a 6 amp charger. That's a $249 value. Another option is the 7 inch angle grinder for $299. For $299 is a 12 amp hour flexible battery. And also $299 is the flexible 60 volt brushless reciprocating saw. 60 volts are all 60 volt tools, and you're getting that flexible battery kit for free. And these tools are tool only, so it doesn't come with another battery on this deal until September 7th. So you do have some time on it. It's a new deal that they recently released, replacing the Milwaukee deals that they were doing as well as the Ryobi ones. All right, then the next deal from DeWALT is the hedge trimmer, 22 inch one for $149. It was $179. They have the quarter sheet sander. It is brushless for $129, and it was $169. And then for $179, they do have the brushless impact driver. It is tool only. It was $219. Then they had the barrel grip jigsaw. It is brushless for $169. I think that jigsaw is normally like around $200 or so. Other options with DeWALT special buys is for $129. You can get a 6 amp hour battery. They say it was $179, which the $179 price would be crazy with that battery by itself. They do have the pin nailer kit for $329, and it was $349. I don't think that was a deal. They actually raised the price on this. It does come with a 2 amp hour battery and charger. For $369 is a tool only at the 16 gauge finish nailer. It was $399. Then they have the drywall kit here that includes both the cutout tool and screw gun, as well as two 2 amp hour batteries and a charger for $279. And then they have the framing nailer for $399. It's a 21 degree one, tool only, saving $50 there. And then more DeWALT offerings is the bagless stick hand vacuum for $129, and it was $169. Then they have a 2-pack of the 6 amp hour batteries, $39, saving $30 there. Hammer drill and impact driver kit does come with a 5 amp hour as well as a 2 amp hour battery charger in a bag for the $279, saving $20 there. Not huge, spectacular deals from DeWALT. Not like what they were doing with Milwaukee and Ryobi recently. So if you missed out on those deals, there's probably going to be better deals during Black Friday time. This is what they're currently offering. And more supposed deals from DeWALT is the 1/2 inch hammer drill, which is what I featured in my last video, the 1/2 inch variable speed. It is the corded tool for $119. It was $139. Then they had the 12 amp variable speed reciprocating saw for $129. It was $148. And then they had the corded 4.5 inch small angle grinder for $74. It was $89. And for $69 is the corded quarter sheet palm sander kit for $149. They had the variable speed reversing drill 1/2 inch one for $149. The D handle jigsaw $129. It was $148. And then they do have another angle grinder, small one, 11 amp, 4.5 inch for $99. And then for $84, they have the variable speed random orbit sander, $84 when it was $99. Those are all corded tools there. And here's a couple other options from DeWALT. It's when you buy one of these select tools, you get the free starter kit, which is a $249 value. Again, it's a 6 amp hour flexible battery. And for $299, you can buy the 7.25 inch circular saw, which is the 60 volt one. And then you get that free kit, $249 value. Or for $299, you get the 12 amp hour battery. Again, just like they showed on another display. And again, you get that kit for free. And they do have a special buy going on with the DeWALT brushless 60 volt 1.25 inch SCS Plus rotary hammer. The price is $499 and it was $549, so saving $50 there. It is tool only, and it remains tool only. It's not part of the, when you buy this, you get that for free. Well, they're definitely phasing out the rigid system as far as the tool storage ones that I featured in my last video. They had it priced at $50. Now it's like actually $25 for the rolling carts. So they're sold out here now. That's an excellent deal. It's like 75% off there on that. Another one was the 2.0 three drawer that they had it for $60 when it was 120. So excellent deals there. Maybe check your store, see if they're clearancing them out. And they basically sold out of the new Makita boxes because they further discounted those. Well, they were already out of this rolling cart one on my last video, but now they had like the large toolbox marked down to $40, and it was $159, which is crazy deal there. I just happened to miss out on it. So they have the extra large extension one was $65 and it was $129. So very good deals. Even the deep compact organizer was $14.02 and it was $55. Someone got some great deals on these. So check your store, see if they have them, see if they happen to be clearancing them out. That's the time to buy them for sure. They have this Ryobi 18-volt Whisperer Series 15-inch trimmer. They have it on clearance now for $116.10. It was $149. Since my last video, they further marked down this Shockwave impact kit here, 70 pieces with different bits, screw bits, as well as the pack out case, which is the slim one, on clearance for $34, and it was $49.88. Which I think the last week it was 39 or somewhere around there. So further marked down on that. It's a pretty good deal. And they do have the Diablo 2-blade framing kit here. It's a 7.25-inch blade, 24 teeth, on clearance for $970. It was $12.88. And then the Diablo 4.5-inch masonry diamond blades, $15, and they were $19.88. And then the Diablo 10-piece spade bit set on clearance for $970. Was $12.88. They have a couple deals on the Ryobi attachments for their portable power washer. They have the Easy Clean Power Cleaner foam blaster on clearance for $15.98, and it was $29.97. They have a lower price on the Easy Clean Power Cleaner spinning brushes, priced at $19.97. It was $49.97. And another Ryobi deal is the 1800 PSI 1.2 gallon power washer. New lower price at $89. It was $139. And Ryobi recently came out with this automotive pressure washer kit. It has like a special angled wand to make cleaning cars easier. So it's electric power washer. They have it priced at $149 as a special buy. It does come with a foam cannon, just like I just showed you here previously, and it has different spray nozzles as well. All right, they got some clearance pricing on the Milwaukee 18-volt compact brushless drill driver. It does come with one 2-amp-hour battery and a charger. Clearance price at $89.10. It was $99. And they're running the same deal with the compact brushless 1/4-inch impact driver, also with a 2-amp-hour battery charger. Looks like they use this one as a punching bag here. That's also priced at $89.10. It was $99. And they're running a really good deal now on the leaf blower here. It does include 2 of the Forge 12.0 batteries, as well as a dual bay simultaneous rapid charger. So those batteries, those Forge 12.0s, are priced at $299 individually. So if you were to buy those, that'd be $600 worth right by itself. So with this leaf blower, it's now on clearance price at $629.10, and it was $799. I think my last video, I think they had it priced saving $100. So it's a better deal now. Another $70 off, so $170 you're saving. Pretty good deal there, especially with the batteries, Forge batteries, and then the simultaneous dual rapid charger. I think that's another $130 value there. So between the batteries and the charger is well worth that price at $629. And then for $149, they do have a high output 6.0 battery kit with a charger for $149. And then they also have on clearance price for the 8-inch pruning saw, the M18 one. It also has a high output 6-amp-hour battery, priced now at $269. It was $299. I think this was the same price as the one I showed you last week, or the last video I did from Home Depot. So it is a pretty good deal at $269. And in fact, they recently increased the tool only price to $299 versus this one here, because it was the tool only. They had it marked down to $229 as a temporary sale, and now they raised it. So definitely better off getting this kit with the 6 amp hour battery and the charger. So here's the example of the Milwaukee M18 Forge battery, the 12.01. They have that priced at $299. So don't be a fool and buy this by itself when you can get that tool and 2 batteries and a charger. Even if you're not in the market for a blower, you could technically keep the batteries, the charger, and then turn around and sell the blower like on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. And then you end up with a great deal there with just a couple Forge batteries and the charger. So something to consider, but definitely I wouldn't pay the $300 for the battery by itself. If you're enjoying this video, I would appreciate it. You give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos.